Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we take a look at some words you come across in Austria all the time. We focus on GEMMA, SAMMA, MACHMA and so on. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific word or phrase in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this video is how to use the words GEMMA, SAMMA, MACHMA and others in various situations in Austrian German. In general, these words are used with let's in English, for instance, let's go, let's do, and so on. We focus on phrases that are mainly used in spoken form. Now let's take a look at some examples in Austrian German. In the last video, we've already talked about the word GEMMA. GEMMA is very often used in Austria and means let's go, come on. GEMMA is like vamos in Spanish. GEMMA. DAMA. Damadis can be translated as let's do that in English. DAMA. A common phrase is MACHMA. MACHMA is the German phrase for let's make it. For instance, you ask, could you do that? And you can say, ja, MACHMA. MACHMA. Renama. Renama means let's run. For example, the train has arrived. Renama. Spüma. Spüma is a phrase to say let's play. Let's play cards or let's play football. Means spiel mal Karten, spiel mal Fußball. SAMMA. SAMMA can be translated as let's be. For example, let's be happy, SAMMA froh or SAMMA glücklich. SAMMA. Let's repeat the phrases we've covered today. GEMMA, DAMA, MACHMA, RENAMA, SPÜMA, SAMMA. Sind wir zufrieden? Passt? Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.